Hi, my name is Janice. I have been sewing for fun since I was 9 years old. In this class, you are going to learn how to make your very own zipper pouch. As you can see, the size is perfect for carrying your makeup, traveling, or even for school. It's about 10 inches wide and 6 inches tall. If that's too big, don't worry, as I will be teaching you how to adjust the size of the pouch too. The class is open to anyone who knows the basics of sewing machine. From this project, you will learn how to use your sewing machine to create a handy pouch, install a zipper on your pouch, and also how to use a fusible interfacing in your project. I look forward to seeing you create your own pouch. See you in the next video. Bye!